Morning, here we are in Wetherby. It's the last Monday in May, which in the UK is a public holiday. I've been asked to attend to this beautiful detached property and get it ready for a 50th birthday celebration coming up in a few days' time. I'm Paul Driver and I'm the owner of Jet Ready. We specialise in exterior cleaning and restoration services. Large block paved driveway to the front of the property, and to the rear we've got this contemporary back garden paved with Indian sandstone. There's also a couple of shady corners which are getting a bit green and grimy. And some of the garden furniture is looking a bit subpar, also attracting dirt and algae. So follow along as I get this spruced up for that milestone 50th birthday celebration. There's a lot to do. Let's get started. Just thought I'd pause a moment to show you a phenomenon that we see from time to time. These circular marks that you can see on the block paving here, this is what we call reflective staining. Long story short, it's bad workmanship. What's happened with these flags is that they've been laid on top of a dot and dab base, and what's causing the staining is minerals from the cement which has actually travelled through the rock. It is porous when all said and done. Now, how these flags are meant to be laid is either on a solid base so that any staining is completely uniform on all of the flags, or, more professionally, the underside of the flag should be coated with bonding agent. That acts as a barrier and prevents any staining. Right, get all this sludge cleared up now. I've only gone and left my bucket at home. Washing up bowl, better than nothing. So looking down here, we've got some light rust stains which have been caused by a planter. As far as rust goes, these are not that bad, so I'm just going to try fading them off with a bit of oxalic acid. It's usually quite effective. So I'll leave that to dwell on the surface. I'll reapply it, keep it wet, keep adding a bit more if necessary. Quick look at these rust marks, which I've treated with oxalic acid, give it a follow-up treatment, and the rust is all gone. Well, that's it, all done now. Just need to sand this driveway. Very rare that you can do the re-sanding on the same day, unless you have an early start and a later finish, and really good dry conditions, ideally with a light breeze too, and we've got all of that today. So I'm just going to sand this off, get done, get home for a couple of beers. All sanded, all finished, all done. Customers just got back home, they're absolutely delighted with it, and so am I.